Opening a bank account in Australia as an international student is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can open up a bank account in Australia as an international student. So for that, you need to have some things, or you need to comply on some conditions. So the first one is you need some stuff. So what stuff you need? Let me tell you. You need your passport, your Australian residential address, your valid visa documents, and a letter from your institute you are studying at. So after these information, you have to go to any of the banking websites or any of the banks that you want. You can also visit them and they can guide you easily. So these are the number, or these are the banks. These are some banks that you can use in which you can create account without any problem. So suppose if you want to create on this bank, you just have to go to Google and type in Westpac, and you just have to go to their bank. Now here you can simply start creating any of your bank accounts. So you just have to click on this register for online banking, and you guys will get into the process of creating a bank account. So you just need to create a bank account that you can use for as an international student. These are the banks that you as an international student that you can use easily. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can make your bank account in Australia as an international student. Hope you guys find this video helpful.